Hi, I hope you are all well. So recently, a video from the Bangladesh refugee camp went viral, where a refugee youth was complaining about the healthcare facility in the camp. Basically, his sister and uh, her newborn baby uh, was admitted to the hospital uh, because his sister and the newborn baby was in a critical situation, was an emergency situation. So he requested the doctors to refer to the hospital uh, from the Bazaar or from the Chicago. But the doctor rejected his request after staying for 5 days. The newborn baby, had passed away in the hospital inside the refugee camp. So this kind of case is not new. This has been happening for years in the Bangladesh refugee camp. Uh, when I was working for the Danish Refugee Council in 2019, uh, a similar case happened, and it was really heartbreaking for me, and uh, it hurt me a lot, and I felt so sad that I even wrote a poem uh, regarding that accident in my book. So basically, the accident was one night. Uh, it rained all the night, and aside of the earthen shelter, uh, fall down and injure the lower part of an old lady. Uh, she was referred to a hospital in Cox's Bazar, but due to lack of proper treatment for being a Rohingya, she had passed away over there. So, okay, let me read the poem. So, the name of the poem is "Murder Inside the Hospital." So, and the name uh, the name of the deceased mother was Fatima. I felt so sad about this accident because uh, the deceased mother had also a son who is at the same age with me. I tried to be in his place, and I think like if she were my mother, how would I feel? And yeah, I felt so sad that's why I wrote this poem to record the accident. So the name of the poem is Murder Inside the Hospital. My mother was a driver of a five-wheel car handed over by my father. My mother was a teacher. She taught me how to love. She taught me kindness, respect, and forgiveness. It rained all night. My mother and I slept inside an earthen shelter like a grave, which I call home. With the crack of the dawn, a sight from the wall came and struck my mother. My mother was admitted to the hospital through an NGO. A stone-hearted nurse didn't give her a decent bed. Finally, I had to bribe for one. Because of my mother's pain, the sky and the cloud started to cry at once. But the doctors tried to great provide proper treatment for being a Rohingya. The next morning, after a sweet hug, my mother said goodbye to the hospital and to the world. So the accident happened in D3 Block A came to West in 2019. I vividly remember the accident. She was the lady, the old woman was she would be like 50s, around her 50s. She was basically injured in the lower part of the body, so she was well. Due to the proper treatment, she had passed away in the hospital in Coxburg.